Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and see what goodies I was able to find. Okay, the first thing I want to share with you is these Steampunk kitty bookmarks. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. We'll check out one of them. But look at these. And I've hauled some other ones like this, but you do get the front side and the back side. Look at that. So you got the kitties. Hopefully there's no glare. This is a steampunk theme. Love that. Look at that. Love, love, love. How cute is that? Love those. Those are real nice. So I got those. Okay, next thing I have here is a silicone mold, and it's a Mardi Gras theme, and I'll have the picture above so you can see how it looks like. But I got that, and then I also had this steampunk heart silicone mold, so we'll see how these work. So I got those ones, and then I hauled these lock and key dies. Those would be nice for a vintage look. And then I also have the steampunk gears in metal. It even has a ruler on there, so I'll have that one. This is a majority of it's steampunk because I do have a steampunk swap that I'm entering. Okay, next thing I want to share are these. These are skull, metal skull, almost like they're not charms, but they're used to make. They used to make, to add to boxes and stuff like that. But look at that. So you do get the metal skull, and you do get the pin to close it, to hold it. So the pin goes in the back. Like that. But you can also use these for beatable, to make your DIY beatable pins also. So I got those. And I got two of those. And then I also hold another mold, and this is also steampunk theme, and it's different lock and keys. So I also got that one. I love lock and keys. Oh, this is a rebuy here, but in a different color. I did haul this before, but in pink and pearl. This one, it is white pearls on pink, and it is adhesive, so you can stick this on projects, and you can stick it on beatable pins. So if you're looking to do your own DIY pin, you could use those also. And then I also hauled it in the green and white. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? And you get a nice little roll. So I got that one. And this is basically my little steampunk theme mini haul I want to share with you. I will be testing out these molds with clay just to see how they do come out. And I will be making some projects with the cat steampunk, so keep an eye on that. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. I will link all the products below if it's available. Let me know what is your favorite. Actually, I really like the skull, the little skull pin thingies. I don't know what exactly they're called, but yeah, I like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little quick haul I want to share with you. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.